I recently received a comment on one of my videos asking if it was possible to have a 0 RPM mode enabled in the Radeon software, as well as having a custom fan curve. And after a bit of research, it turns out you are able to do this, but it is a bit of a roundabout way in order to achieve it. What normally happens if you try to enable a custom fan curve with 0 RPM mode is it seems to work fine. Whenever you click on advanced control, it will make the 0 RPM mode disappear. However, if you untick advanced control, it'll still be ticked, the 0 RPM mode that is. But as soon as you tick apply changes, it will turn off 0 RPM mode. To get around this, there are a few steps you have to do. First off, you want to open up the Radeon software by right-clicking your desktop and clicking on Radeon software. You then want to click on the Performance tab, Tuning, and then select Manual mode instead of Automatic mode. There are a few options here for frequency and VRAM tuning. However, you want to touch fan tuning. So you want to select fan tuning and click on Advanced Control. You now want to create a curve based on just your preferences. So you want to create your fan curve that you want and then save this profile with a name anywhere in your computer that you know you're going to be able to find it. Mine personally got saved by default to C drive, users, my name, app data, local AMD, CN, and then I called it RX 5700 XT normal performance undervolt because I'm doing some testing with undervolts. You then want to locate this profile using File Explorer and right click and open it with Notepad. You can then zoom out a bit because Notepad opens quite zoomed in. You then want to find feature ID 18 and change this from saying false to true. Feature ID 18 is actually 0 RPM mode, so this turns it from being off to on. You then want to save this change by either going to File and Save or you're hitting Control S, and then you can close that Notepad window. You then want to go back into Wattman or the AMD software and click the three dots at the top and load that profile that you just created and made some changes to. If you load that profile, it should then have your fan curve. You may have to load it twice to get the fan curve to be just right. That's what I normally have to do. And if you turn off advanced control, it will show you that 0 RPM mode is in fact enabled. If you then turn on advanced control again or discard changes, because clicking apply changes will turn off 0 RPM mode, and it now has 0 RPM mode enabled with your custom fan curve. If you leave it for a few minutes, your fans will eventually turn off. I believe the 0 RPM mode works if your graphics card is under a load, the fans come on, or if it hits 45 to 50 degrees and your fans come on. But if you tweak your fan curve, you shouldn't really be able to notice when they come on. That should be it. If it doesn't work, let me know. And if it does work, I guess leave a like or do the normal YouTube stuff. And that's about it. And make sure to let me know in the comment section if it did work for you, because I would like to know that. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, and I hope it worked for you.